Hello everyone, today we are exploring the powerful Prolixity 1200W professional grade personal silver smoothie blender. This sleek silver machine features two upgraded 6-fin stainless steel blades to crush frozen fruit effortlessly. The high-performance motor works incredibly fast to create nutritious juices and delicious protein shakes in seconds. An integrated cooling fan prevents overheating, while silicone pads keep the base stable and also very secure. You receive 3 high-impact BPA-free travel cups with lids for enjoying healthy drinks anywhere daily. Simply twist the cup to lock it and press down to blend all your favorite fresh ingredients. Cleanup is a total breeze because you can simply rinse the cups under running water when finished. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.